Hello guys, long time no see. I have been so struggling to upload a video lately because of some personal reasons, but from now I'll try to make as many K-pop related videos as I can. I'm so sorry that I was gone for a while. Today I'm going to show you how to make a K-pop Polaroid wall decor. I used NCT Taeyeon and Jaehyun, but you can change the images to your bias, member, or group. First, I started off by going to the foodtour.com, which is a free website I use to make Polaroid. You need to make your account, but they don't send any email advertisements, so I recommend to try this website out. Click collage and then classic collage. I use 6 images per 1 letter size paper. When you are changing the paper size, you need to click the little lock image to unlock it. Make border to the 100% and decrease the left and right grid size. Start uploading your K-pop images by clicking the button in the top right-hand corner. Drag the images to each box and rotate to the left if the image is on the right side. If the image is on the left side, then rotate to the right side by clicking the rotate button on the left corner. I also changed the position of the images as well. When you're happy with the Polaroid collage, then save it to your computer and print it out on the cardstock paper. This is how my collage turned out. The first page looked good, but when I printed the second page, color inks were almost gone. So it doesn't look the best. However, I'm still really happy about it since it gave kind of vintage look. To cut the papers, I used a trimmer to make my life a whole lot easier and faster. By the way, I'm sorry about my pajama. It is actually kangaroo onesie. If you just want your Polaroid, then you can stop it here, but I wanted to make these into a room decor piece. So I grabbed some washi tapes and sticked 9 pictures on my wall. I think these DIY look so cute and it makes me smile whenever I see it. I hope you have fun trying this easy and simple DIY out, and thank you so much for watching. I will come back with a better video next time. Love you. Mwah.